In this video, I will show you how to reopen one-time photo in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can reopen a one-time photo on WhatsApp. So to get started, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device, and in here, you'll need to sign in to your account and select a recipient of your message from this users on your inbox. So go ahead and select that specific person to whom you want to send that one-time photo. Go ahead and take a photo, and you can do that by clicking on this button. Click on this one button at the bottom right of your screen to set it into a one-time view photo, and click on the send button. So once this user receives your message, they'll be able to view your photo once only. And although there is no other way for you to do that, what you can do is to take a screenshot of that photo to be able to reopen it simply on your gallery. And that is how you can simply reopen a one-time photo. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.